This is my bike check. Kenda conniption tires with Alex rims to a 9-tooth driver. Shadow Conspiracy Scream sprocket. KMC gold chain. Sunday gold seat clamp. E-clad torch post. Odyssey Nightwolf pivotal seat. ODI long neck grips. Fly bike spur cable. Rush brakes and lever. Kenda contact tire to an Alex rim with a crown valve cap. Animal integrated headset to Sunday stem with Shadow Conspiracy stem bolts, fly breaker, Odyssey power ends, and Animal Hamilton PC pedals with Eastern cranks. Can't really see the sticker, but in King Links bars. Thank you.